Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we will show you how to redeem Airbnb coupon. We will also include links for our ultimate Airbnb packing list in the description below. To start, open the website airbnb.com. Then click on the profile logo at the upper right corner of the screen. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Log In. Next, on the field provided, enter your phone number. Then click on Continue. A 6-digit code will then be sent to the number you have provided. Enter it in the field provided to continue. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Account. Click on Account. Here you will see an option for Payments and Payouts. Click on Payments and Payouts. Next, on this page, scroll down a little. You will then see a section for coupons. Below it is a button that says Add Coupon. Click on Add Coupon. On the field provided, enter the coupon code you wish to redeem. Once the coupon code is entered, click on Redeem Coupon. That's how you redeem an Airbnb coupon. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.